It's time for some coffee. Let me get, in a very small cup, 6 shots of blonde ristretto, 2 Splenda in that, and then top it off, if you would, with steamed heavy cream.
Sounds good. Alright, and then $4.55.
Thank you, dear. That looks perfect. Have a lid for that?
Here's your lid.
Thank you.
Do you need a stopper?
No, I think we're good.
Have a great day.
That's the Tiny Soprano. Oh, that is delicious. Absolutely delicious. Trust me. You are going to love this. Yes, you are going to love that drink, but the real problem with the Tiny Soprano is the fact that if you buy it at Starbucks, where I bought that one, it's $4.55. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to make something very similar for a whole heck of a lot less. Come on, I'll show you. Okay, all you're going to need for this project is one of these coffee pots, a coffee grinder of some sort, and some fresh coffee beans. Pour your coffee beans into the grinder's reservoir. Grind the coffee into a very fine powder. The finer the better for this. Next, take the reservoir from your coffee maker, fill it with water. Notice there's a release valve right here. You don't want to fill above that pressure release valve. So fill it with water to just below that now. Now, take your coffee container and with the freshly ground coffee that you just made, fill this container with freshly ground, very fine coffee. Take care to make sure that you pack that coffee in quite tight. I have found that a Italian seasoning container is just the right size to fit on the top of this and to compact it as if it were coffee press. Remember, we're doing this the cheapest way possible. It's compacted so much, I always like to put just a bit more on the top. Give myself the strongest shot of espresso as I possibly can. Now place your compacted shot of espresso into the reservoir of the cup. Take the top of your little coffee pot. Screw this on tightly, letting it get as hot as possible. Don't be afraid to leave the camp off when it is brewed adequately. You will want to lower the lid to keep coffee spatter. While I'm waiting for the coffee to boil, I like to take my cup and add fresh cream and 2 packets of Splenda or whatever. This is a delicious, thick espresso cooked right on your stovetop. Quite inexpensive. Notice the gorgeous bouquet. At this point, you'll want to shut the lid to avoid spatter, as I told you about earlier. Remove your espresso from the heat and allow the steam to die down somewhat. Next, slowly and gently pour your espresso into your prepared coffee cup. Raise the lid and allow the steam to escape. Stir your Tiny Soprano. And there you have it. This is the Tiny Soprano. I call it this because it's a very large delivery method in a very small package. Kind of like James Gandolfini was in the Sopranos. Hope you enjoy it. This is not a drink for the faint of heart. If you're going to indulge in a Tiny Soprano, you need to have a very strong caffeine addiction already established. If not, you acquire one fairly quickly. This is Scott Smith with Lean Life Hacks. Happy Thanksgiving and Merry Christmas. Ooh, wee!